Your first question is, what is the innermost part of the Earth made up of, the core? These are your options. A. Copper and zinc. B. Nickel and copper. C. Iron and zinc. D. Iron and nickel. Friends, if you already know the answer to any question, then tell us by commenting. The correct answer is D. Iron and nickel. Your next question is, the first person in the world to land on the moon? These are your options. A. Rakesh Sharma. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. Bahendri Pal. The correct answer is B. Neil Armstrong. Your next question is, which is the first country in the world to send a man to the moon? These are your options. A. Bangladesh. B. Brazil. C. Russia. D. United States. The correct answer is D. United States. Your next question is, who is the first person in the world to reach space? These are your options. A. Major Yuri Gagarin. B. Valentina Tereshkova. C. Rakesh Sharma. D. Neil Armstrong. The correct answer is A. Major Yuri Gagarin. Your next question is, which is the first country in the world to launch an artificial satellite into space? These are your options. A. Italy. B. Iraq. C. Russia. D. China. The correct answer is C. Russia. Your next question is, who is the first university in the world? These are your options. A. University of Paris. B. Allahabad University. C. Takshashila University. D. Assam University. The correct answer is C. Takshashila University. Your next question is, which is the largest continent in the world? These are your options. A. Africa. B. South America. C. Australia. D. Asia. The correct answer is D. Asia. Your next question is, how many continents are there on Earth? These are your options. A. 9. B. 7. C. 8. D. 6. The correct answer is B. 7. Your next question is, how many oceans are there on Earth? These are your options. A. 6. B. 9. C. 5. D. 4. The correct answer is C. 5. Your next question is, which is the largest delta in the world? These are your options. A. Sundarban Delta. B. Nile River Delta. C. Ganga River Delta. D. Others. The correct answer is A. Sundarban Delta. Your next question is, who was the Governor-General of India at the time of the mutiny of 1857? Your options are A. Lord Canning. B. Neil Armstrong. C. John Mackay. D. Others. The correct answer is A. Lord Canning. Your next question is, who founded the organisation called Deccan Educational Society during India's freedom struggle? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. The correct answer is C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Your next question is, which of these is called the Manchester of Japan? Your options are A. Osaka, B. Tokyo, C. Nagasaki, D. Yokohama. The correct answer is A. Osaka. Your next question is, which of these countries is the largest producer of coal? These are your options. A. Brazil, B. India, C. America, D. China. The correct answer is C. America. Your next question is, which country is the first in the production of manganese? These are your options. A. France, B. Russian Federation, C. Canada, D. United States. Your correct answer is B. Russian Federation. Your next question is, why is there day and night on Earth? These are your options. A. Due to daily motion, B. Due to annual motion, C. Due to half-cycle motion, D. Due to quarter motion. The correct answer is A. Due to daily motion. Your next question is, in which ocean is the Agulhas Current formed? These are your options. A. In the Pacific Ocean, B. In the Indian Ocean, C. In the Arctic Ocean, D. Others. The correct answer is B. In the Indian Ocean. Your next question is, which of these is the smallest planet? These are your options. A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Mercury, D. Neptune. Your correct answer is C. Mercury. Your next question is, which of these planets is the largest? These are your options. A. Jupiter, B. Earth, C. Uranus, D. Venus. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. Your last question is, which is the largest dam in the world? These are your options. A. Boulder Dam, B. Bakra Dam, C. Grand Dam, D. Others. Friends, please tell the correct answer to this question by commenting. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.